For roasted red pepper sauce, start with 3 full-size red bell peppers, remove the seeds and stems, and place them on a baking sheet. Bake at 400 for about 12 minutes. Take the roasted peppers and put them in a blender, along with 3/4 cup of raw nuts, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Blend until creamy. And that's Romesco sauce. You can do anything with it. For this recipe, I'm going to take some mushroom and onion and dash a little bit of sesame oil and Bragg's liquid amino, which is my absolute favorite, super easy saute. Just add a little bit of each. Then I'm going to dash in some broccoli and cauliflower towards the last 2 minutes, so not to overcook. And then finally, a big container of greens to get the daily greens. Add a little bit more liquid Bragg's and sesame oil. Saute until the greens are bright green and the broccoli soft. And then use a sweet potato is what I'm going to do. You can also use spaghetti squash or pasta as a base. And then just top with veggies and Romesco sauce and serve. It's a delicious whole food plant-based meal.